Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a custom code in WordPress website in different languages such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this one is the demo website. Now first of all, I want to generate a code. Write WordPress code in 3 files: CSS and JavaScript for average, calculator and showing the current date. After that, press enter. You can use ChatGPT, Claude and any of the AI tool. Within couple of seconds, here you can see code is ready. Now I can go in my demo website. So to log in, let me use wp-admin. Here we need to install a plugin. Okay, these are the different plugins that you can use. So let me select this one. After that, click activate button. Now scroll down. Here you can find out this one, add snippet. Then scroll down, click here to add a new custom snippet. Now here you can see different options. So let me select one of the options, this one. Then scroll down. Here we need to add HTML code. I can copy it. Then add the code here. After that, activate it. Then save the snippet. Now I need to add a new snippet, this one. Then add the custom code. So here select this one, CSS. Then copy the CSS code, this one. Add the code here. Then activate it. After that, save the snippet. Again, add the new snippet. Click add custom code. So at this time we need to select this one. Let me scroll down. Just copy this one and add it here. Then activate it. After that, save the snippet. Now here we need to go and copy the shortcode, this one. Copy it. Then add into a page. After that, publish this page. Now view it. Here you can see it's working fine.